What's up, guys? So, I know that y'all seen my video from 2 years ago about talking about the Toyota Matrix that I own. It was my first car. So I'm going to give you an update on that. About a year and a half ago, I believe it was November of 2018, that car got into a car accident. I'm okay, of course, because I'm still here. Nothing was broken or anything. But the car ended up being totaled out. Car had 380,000 miles. Like I said, it was my first car. It was stick shift. You can see more information on the car on that same video. So I didn't think it would get 12,000 views on just a random car video. I just put it up there, talking about my stickers jokingly, and it was a fun car to have for my first car. Like I said, it was stick shift. Got to learn how to drive that, and it was pretty neat. But yeah, so the what happened with the wreck and everything? It was raining on my way home from work, and some idiot 3 cars up slammed on the brakes. Everybody in front of me slammed on the brakes. There was some Dodge truck or something veered off into the ditch, and I tried to go with them, threw my wheel all the way to the right side, and just slid forward into a Ford Explorer. Everybody in the Ford Explorer was okay. But yeah, my car was completely totaled. I'll try and get a picture in the video right about here. If I didn't put a picture in, I'm pretty sure you can find one, or I'll put one in the video or something. But yeah, I watched the car get towed off. It was pretty sad. It was my first car, so you had to imagine that I was very upset. It was also a family car. It was my dad's car too at one point. He's the one that put the 300,000 miles on it. I put the rest on there. And yeah, so the crappy part was I had found a car. I had started a brand new job. They want you to be punctual, of course, and everything. So as you can see behind me, I picked up this thing. It is a 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse. It is not the GT, it is the base model GS, and it is an automatic, sadly. It's just the only thing that I could find that was best for the money. I will get something later on. Right now, I'm in a lot of different things right now. I'm trying to save up to get a house. Right now, as you see here, still with the parents. Over the time that y'all seen that last video, I got a girlfriend. Me and her been doing a lot of things. Been going around exploring, traveling, then solely focusing on my work and jobs and everything. Another reason I didn't put up any videos, I have some old videos of the Matrix of putting on some new parts and stuff. I got a sway bar for it, new exhaust, all that stuff, and then everything just went downhill from there after the wreck. So like I said, I got this for about 6 months. I didn't modify it. I wasn't sure if I wanted to. It was just, I just didn't really see me putting money into it, but I came across a person that modified their Eclipse, because I didn't see many of this model on the road. I just didn't see it. And I started going digging deeper down into the modifications you can do to this vehicle, and it's pretty wild, but I'm not looking to spend that kind of money into this car. This car is basically going to be just something that breaks necks. It's just a looker. I mean, I love to do it for horsepower. I've seen people do 350, 400 out of this thing, make it all-wheel drive, some crazy stuff, but I'm not looking to put 10K into a vehicle. If I'm putting 10K into a vehicle, it's going to be something that I'm going to actually enjoy. It's going to be all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive, not front-wheel drive, and it's going to be able to at least push 600. That is just goals down the road for a vehicle. But it's a Mitsubishi Eclipse. The things I've done to it so far, I got this very shitty eBay exhaust. just for shits and giggles to see if it worked, because I never bought an eBay anything before, and it is awful. Don't ever do that. I even tried to get a muffler off of a buddy, welded on here, and lasted maybe 7 months, and it just sounds like the wrath of 1,000 wasps. Got my sound system still in here. I took that out of the old car right there at the wreck. I literally ripped everything out of that car. So I got my subs in here, the 212s. They barely fit in there because this is a hatchback, of course. Well, a hatch, 2-door hatch. I did upgrade the head unit. I had a little Pioneer single din head unit. I went in here and put in a Pioneer double din. So I got a screen and everything. It's beautiful. It sounds really good in the car. I also picked up 2 sets of wheels for this. The first set was shitty, $150. It was just something that looked good, but it had a freaking death wobble out of hell. So got rid of that shortly, sold it to somebody for the same price, got my money back, and stumbled upon somebody that was selling whatever these things. ASA's 17-inch wheels for $400 with tires, and he said that they've been on the car and he hasn't driven the car since. So basically I got brand new rims for $400, and they're $600 to $800 rims, which was pretty neat. Done nothing to the motor. Everything on the motor is completely stock. I don't even consider this exhaust really a modification. None of this is really a modification, just accessorizing basically. Upgraded the headlights because the ones I had were hazy and shitty. So I put some projectors on these, it's aftermarket projectors. Me and my dad did the wiring and everything, mostly him because I don't trust myself with wiring, but I learned a lot after doing that and then dabbling more into wiring. It's not, you can't really compare it to like doing wiring in a computer. Everything's different with wiring, but it's kind of the same. It's kind of hard to explain though. I believe that's it with the car. I mean, I have coilovers actually on the way. They'll be here, I think, tomorrow. And me and my buddy will be throwing those on, so actually I'll be getting a little on this car. It'll be pretty good fitment, and then I'm getting some new tires put on tomorrow also. After that, it's literally just appearance stuff for the car. I might be doing some dress up under the engine bay. I personally like neon. I'm gonna put neon under the car, make it look good. I'm just doing it for shows. I might ride around with it. I gotta check the laws around the state of North Carolina. Like I said, just simple things, and then I'm just gonna leave the car alone until I stumble across something that I'm gonna make my race car, basically. Sorry that I haven't uploaded anything in 2 years. I explained why I didn't, but I saw comments on my Matrix video, and I thought it was wild that I had 12,000 views. I've never had that many views on a video. I have a gaming channel, and I get maybe 4,000 off of some of those videos, but 12,000 off of a little freaking beater car, I didn't even think had remotely anybody that wanted to even see that thing. Now I'm thinking the same thing about this. Do people want to see this? Do people want to see me do anything to it? Do people want to hear what I got to say about cars in general? I'm just going to give it a shot, see what y'all think, and just roll with it. But I hope this video updated the people that wanted to know what was going on in the car, what was going on. I hope y'all are satisfied. I'm sorry that the car is gone. It was just not worth me fixing or anything. They wanted to give me they wanted to give me $500 for that freaking thing. I had freaking stacks of receipts of me putting a new motor in. Well, not a new motor. Putting a motor in, putting a trans in, rebuilding everything, putting all these new parts on, and then I got 2,000, other than that 500. So it kind of came out perfectly for me. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, if it answered all your questions and everything, cool. If you want to see more content, please let me know, because I'm not going to waste my time sitting here in front of y'all, in front of this camera talking. But I mean, I do like doing the videos and stuff. It's just, it's more satisfying when you see people that are interested in what you like and what you like to do. But hope y'all enjoyed it. Peace.